Hi guys, right now I will show you how to replace engine air filter in 2022 Hyundai Venue. As you can see, there are a couple of these locks here which you have to unlock like this, and all you have to do is simply lift up the cover and you will see the engine air filter inside. Take it out like this and I'll show you guys how it looks. The vehicle is fairly new, that's why it's pretty clean right now. This one is made in Korea, and this is the part number right here. I'll show you guys how it looks. The material that the filter is using is quite solid. This is synthetic material. The OEM part, as for the aftermarket, you may find some materials which are paper based. This is not the best choice. I would always go with synthetic material, and in our opinion the OEM is the best in this case. When you insert the new filter, simply put it in like that, and even though this is pretty simple operation, you will see these two slots here. This is where we have to put the guides, which are on this side. There's one right here. Oops. And one on this side. So make sure that they slide in. This will ensure the proper installation of the cover, and in the end simply close the cover like this and it's done.